Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Today we have some brand new info for all of you regarding a brand new leaked DJI drone, and this looks very promising because this kind of looks like a hybrid between a Mavic 3 and a Matrice M300 RTK. And in today's video we have all the images and info that you need to know. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here and to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product, whether it is the Mini 3, the Inspire 3, and of course the long-awaited Air 3. You already know this is the place to come for all the latest updates and news. And also we're currently in the road to 10,000 subscribers. So if you're watching today's video and you're not subscribed yet, well, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. So without any much further ado, why don't we just go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is going to be very exciting. And that is because our good friend DJI Drone was able to get his hands on the first leaked images of a brand new professional enterprise level DJI drone. And this, we still don't have an official name for this. We don't know if it is going to be the Matrice M400 or the M300 RTK or kind of like a Mavic Max, or we still don't know. But this looks really good, and it looks like this is packed with some very impressive technology and specs. So why don't we just go ahead and take a look at it. So there we have it, guys. What are your first thoughts on this bad boy? This kind of looks like a Mavic Enterprise Max, but also like a Mavic, like a Matrice M300 RTK foldable. I mean, this looks really good. First thing we see is that this drone is foldable, and it looks like it's going to be able to get into a quite nice compact package. I really like the camera that we have right there in the front, and we can see that there are sensors all over this drone. I mean, we see this drone is going to be able to have 360-degree obstacle avoidance, which is something that we really like, and it's going to be very important. Also, the rumor says that this new drone is going to be optimized for public safety application, in addition to all of this new stuff that we see. Additionally, we do see that the props in the back are upside down, something that we saw in a DJI patent a few months ago, and it looks like it has now become a reality. We also do see that this drone is going to be having 2 batteries in the back, so we can only imagine the kind of flight that we're going to be getting out of this bad boy. There we see the drone. I mean, this looks really good. I mean, this kind of looks, I don't know, kind of like if the Mavic 3 had a baby with the Matrice M300 RTK. But I mean, this looks really good. Let us know down in the comment section down below. What are your thoughts on this? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Now remember, this most likely will be an enterprise drone, therefore it's going to be carrying quite a hefty price tag. So this is the latest leaks that we have on this new M300 RTK foldable. We still don't have an official name for it. We still don't know how this is going to be calling it, but for now it looks like this will be the Matrice M300 RTK foldable. And I mean, this drone looks absolutely amazing. So that's what we have so far, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.